Tikiribono na gukwanira ndonsi asobereta sumugaso bono chinga kichene gukwarigania semesa ya Amayia Chinsa ni Isano na Ibere chiabono mubasona manga hagandeta okolekana kuro Chinsemo ao ayungo chwo kumanya senchera yo bwenge bunabalike baito bagandeta gutwariganiria asenchera yo bwenge nyirabono saliki ichiga 19 omutinyo kimi mwaka bwikiri bubere na 24 na manga hagandeta okolekana olito kubwatera nere litukeli gali ya Jumatano kura sumuno wimanyeryo igakoro kwa Joshua Auta iriterana nchinkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha. Igoto ya chaga kurase county ya Nyamira ensemo yabo bisakurwa social work development me county ya Nyamira niko bomerane nagati y'abantu bali bale no bolema ase bolema ntiyo iko bomerana ensemo ya Nyamira south ya bali baba wikirana somo yegoyo ngamo na batakanwa chintakana na boigona baboraka ekero boigo bakwana na kumulekera umurobelyo lengete inwa jamii gati yabo bali babete bagokonya numurobeli yo asenseme yabo bisaba bakorera sobwagale na seki chibesa chainwa jamii chabere chikunyorwa seka kimiti nyebere bono
Samaria tankuru ku Nicholas Rioki kumoweso social development ase sub county ya Nyamira South ndora koraki ndora te official ngomurobeli yotenene chibesa ejia chage tuguneli chiko iko bado no ojire lijiko liri ndira koraki ndira asira no olire chibesa no ochire ege ndokoro kinda te yando betunga ki totu arokore meria sini ni mate nga chiachereri ndora aka nu motienyo saba no motienyo nane oyo kianda no yo ikomioro chikoera iko to baba le meria sini ni chibesa nje chikoraki jije
Maria tankoro ku Philip mungani yamoko incho mo chivo banyamatuta chache onyeko nyarekana chibese chikiachire kibarende chibese chinchibe kwa asabantu iroka especially bali bako barenda bakibogori bakikoria nande abantu aba bagotiga bakwanerwe bayiruki kanisa batware bikundi bako ikaransa
Nago tigana na roboti rubono kurose county ya Nyamira go ikase county ya Kisii tunyare kumulekera ya gendreta gokole kana gati ya bwatani ase county ya Kisii bono ni gobate bire mbarisaneka ninchera umurai wenso muske William Samuel Ruto bakago chora wa waziri baye kolenga umurai bwaba sayo manyekanete buna engineer Frederick Nyabaro ni gate bire buna Ruto ni gabete kago chora abantu bali bale neni bo ase serikali anasoko wa waziri asate bire buna abantu bokonyora wense gosamanya kantabuna asalas mbaye turi bagari yabene ko baba waziri anene ase serikali ya William Samuel Ruto egento pamochiri kyandege 10
Nyabaro engineer ya ma leader youth korwa se Kisii County. My attention has been drawn na vetting yere gendreta libunge yechi cabinet secretaries chetu chucho tusafu ase myake yiga yobogambi bwa Kenya Kwanza for the next 5 years. Tuarure chi minister chire umo president yetu His Excellency Dr. William Ruto achorire. It's very unfortunate kor chi minister chire achorire chiko vetted no na abantu abali to expecting amba bwate cases chire batekeri once cha corruption nganjiga kali kuligeririgo boni obayandrete wetu gutururioka yani no mwana inji tabu anything to say. A constitution ya Kenya ni yote ba section 1 and chapter 1 yote sovereignty belongs to the people. Akibona abantu abaye sovereign and bari the majority igera unfortunate nga tibai riribaga bachikonyara kwa bako tsaso bugambi wega. You to expecting we are forming the hustle government and the hustle government ni gotu abutenga ne narrative ya lingo chikotakonya. Mtu aroche kijana ya boda kago sign tokalie liva iko tokarora umongino mama mboga nereka go sign lakini aso go sign kwa baba anything abaendo sirie Ruto ko president ngantu bwati mongino ndibyansi rusi tubichiro achiko be minister nabangi nambaro abali chiro boyiko batarachoba ntwaro ntubwate vijana bya boda abantu bandi basomira chigasitayo lakini saa hii ni babekere limacho gose timaiti gose no gotatwara chibesa gose ngendo ikiantorotya de prime cabinet secretary igakoma feted kabwate 4 billion na erina vena nigara as formation ya government ntobwate wa igochi cabinet secretary montare wa 800 million 700 million 500 million nangana abantu abana undi gobari chiasala na ntino otore to gwaso mambi no otore to kominya kichingo ko tuchibwate to konya kominya kachichiro ko ni no ne chianga lakini tutobwate kento kendo to gokora. It is quite unfortunate again they get to go get to
na maiga yogwe tigie mirimo hoyergo tene kiombe kile kyoboto kinobo saria DCI Kinoti yose George Kinoti ni gobono omotenelio mungabere kagotia ni gubenne gochikora kiombe kigya DCI omanya katabona Amin Mohamed Ibrahim yoba gagotia ni gwa obosio bomona chebi no monne Lady Just Martha Kahome asekamberker gya Supreme gase ense ya Kenya asogotia ni gukwa yani gate bagochikura obokoribwa ya senchera yeng yakima wancheri ya konde gwensi goteyo asaba kagotiani go bochikwereri bagaliaye George Kinoti.
Amin Mohamed Ibrahim do swear by the Almighty God that I will not, without due authority, disclose or make known to any person any information acquired by me by reason of the duties performed by me on behalf or under the direction of the National Police Service, or by reason of any office or employment held by me pursuant to the National Police Service Act. So help me God.
Inyirabono Amin Mohamed Ibrahim ni uchikereri bagaria ye George Kinoti oyibono beteka wetigemeremo buna omutene kwekyembekeri kyobutu kinobo saria DCI asogotani gukwa ya Amin Mohamed Ibrahim boygoni gate bana chikoruwa bokorre bwaye wanchiria konde wensi goteyo asabo igabaga kuru namba ya yesimi gochya saba Kenya yate yabuna era chikonyara komokonya gosangana keromo Kenya ane kumanyegoro ye birengeri na boygo obokorre kurwa sekyembekeri kyobutu kinobo saria DCI.
Be available, and for purposes of records, I would like to declare Honorable CJ my number, which is 0722-415-419, so that any member of the public, any other person who feels like reaching out to me can easily reach out to me. I will work hand in hand with all our strategic partners to ensure that we deliver on the mandate of the Directorate. Thank you so much.
Na go tigana na yubono ngotumulekere kerokere ba waziri bagendrete gotukwane komiti ye bunge maiga ya malieta bokobwato kwa numero yebwenso muske William Samuel Ruto aseri tukulia ragati ya bali babere ba kulingo ligose bayikire bosi obwe komiti ye bunge ngamo na Kipchumba Murkomen oyubono choro seriterali ya bwato kubuno mu waziri wechibara akwegera bosi obwe komiti yuni gate babuna na chikoene kina chibara nkwaga chuchira Chinsa asate batari go chikoligereria amangana siasa asobo koribwaye aisigo etigwa na wanchero ko mu waziri otenete chibara chinga kicho Kipchumba Murkomen nigate yabuna enibo yarabwate go ikirabone go senibo ya yonsi nigeriye shilingi milioni 500 na boigo ne 50.
Aurora and Kimwarer, a very good question from my colleague. Mr. Speaker, I still believe that Aurora and Kimwarer was charges and stopping of the projects was politically motivated. And when we called the Speaker, P.S. Maringa to the committee of the Senate, Mr. Speaker, I don't know if you were there at that time, but he was fumbling and eventually whispered to me and said, you know, I was told. So, Mr. Speaker, the era of I was told should come to an end. And the era of stopping projects because you don't like the person who lives in that area or comes from that county. Mr. Speaker, will promise this committee that if I am elected, if I am approved by this committee to become the CS Roads, Transport and Public Works, I can assure you I will work for Kenyans to receive infrastructure in every part of the country, and no part of this nation will be denied infrastructure because, Mr. Speaker, of political choices that people make. And I can assure you, Honorable Opio Ondai, if there is any problem in your constituency, make sure we plan, it becomes the first place we will visit to ensure that every part of Kenya ensures it gets its part of the
Gotigana boigone nseme yo yakibuchumba muru komeni tumulikira roboti ronde omurai wenzo musuko William Samuel Ruto ni gabetega ko igora benne ogo chaki wana boigo kona no gwechinyomba kweli golirianse asensemo yongataronga yego toka se county ya Kajiado. Ruto ni gabetega gote yabune yungatemero bya serikali ya yebegete ko ne kibuna aba Kenya nkonyara bale chinyomba aseri golirianse nyirabone chingati yechi agenda cyabete chikobe kwa bulitanga ni affordable housing chibono Ruto abereka gote buna chikogendere na kone kibuna aba Kenya nkonyara barobo kolere chinga kichi Ruto kero yogo chaki wo kumurobelio na kubwata ko gwechinyombe chansemo yongataronga ime ya Kajiado. Ruto ni gate betana chikoni kingubwatira nale amona abarayibonse goro chinsemo aime yense ya Kenya kone kibuna aba Kenya nkonyara bali chinyomba seligoli lyanse
mala wale mafundi ya kule kijijini, watu ya boda na hata ule anauza mboga atapata nafasi ya kununua nyumba. Ile program ya land consolidation, watu tuweze kupata nafasi ya kilimo, ili tusitumie sehemu zetu za kilimo na kuzalisha chakula kama sehemu ya makao. Private sector developers wajue ya kwamba we are now developing the program in full steam. We are arranging the finances for purposes of mortgage. I have had meetings with our pension institutions.
I commit that my government will cooperate where we have open spaces to provide the land. Where we are required to do our bit, we will do our bit.
I know you are very passionate about the pricing of mortgages, because there's no point of doing 720 units here if the people who won't need those houses can't afford them.
Na koya kirumo Somalia senchera yo wenge hoikase county ya Machakos so seneta we county ya Machakos Agnesika Vindo niko wana aberega ko moche oyo kabero mo governor we county ya Machakos Alfred Mutua oyo baneteri ali abeteri ko bwato ko buna wa waziri go jase serikali ya ye William Samuel Ruto kolengana na Agnesika Vindo nigate birebuna omuchando obwe orengete county ya Machakos ngamo woko boro kwa mache egendate bire buna kerere county yugotigara maigano na boni gate bire obekle bill asibunge ye senate elikonyara kone kibune county yunkonyarere go konyega kurwa seme chandiliye gwetera anene okuburwa kwa mache
kusema sababu kubwa ya sisi kuwa na njaa na tupati chakula ile inastahili kuletwa huku ni kwa sababu former governor Mutua alitutoa kwenye also areas na akasema Machakos kuna maji ya kutosha na hatuna shida ya maji. I'm really fighting for. I've taken a statement to the Senate and I'm fighting for us to be taken back to the also areas because hatuna maji na tunastahili kuwa kwenye eneo hizo hivyo ndio tupate maji, tupate chakula na tupate misaada ile ingine ambayo inaambatana na hizo.
Na asoro bote rubono mo seneta we county ya Machakos Agnes Kavinda komocho yo kabero mo governor we county yo Alfred Mutua yogorogoto ikyo mo mangana majya century yo bwenge Chinsa Isano na Ibere chia bono mo gasoli bono oyene kina chibi chaneli gichago ikira century yo boye kirano igakorokwa Abigail na boy governor tobwataranere kurosumo wimanyeryo igakorokwa Joshua Auta wekinga kenda semese mangana majya chikoroga Chinsa 10 umera na Sara Nyarangi on tit tubwatu nsembeli ya mitandao semu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na biko nsembeli ya YouTube na boko tsana buna Ndizi TV News ilitirana nchinkruko Vincent Onyancha.